So spring is here in Canada. So now join us as we roam around here in downtown Toronto. So now, nandito tayo sa Berksea Park. Tinitingnan nila yung buto na nasa ibabaw. So, dito naman na area is may mga chairs and table na pwede niyong tambayan habang nagre-refresh kayo or pag pumupunta kayo dito na gumagala. At ito yung inyong view. So ito ang Border Farm Building. Isa siya sa iconic landmark here in Toronto. So ito yung harapan ng Waterharm Flatiron Building. And alam niyo ba guys, trivia, kung mahilig kayo manood ng movie. So kung napanood niyo na ang Flatliners pala. Ang Flatliners na movie, isa yan siya sa kanilang location. And also, University of Toronto is one of their location sa kanilang shooting. And I recommend sa mga mahilig manood ng movie dyan, I recommend you guys to watch the Flatliners movie. Sobrang exciting, nakakataba ng utak ko. Thriller siya na movie. And basta ang ganda ng movie na yan. So yan, perfect na perfect ang location talaga.
So break muna. Mag-sideline photographer muna ako dito.
Okay, next po.
Oh, di ba? May instruction pa. Akala mo naman talaga ang ganda. Blurred naman ang resulta.
Everybody wants somebody, can you blame them? Everybody wants to feel the love. Everybody needs that passion, have you found it? Everybody just wants to feel the love. Maybe if you're lucky, it will fall in your lap.
So St. Lawrence Market is another iconic landmark here in downtown Toronto. It's a culinary hotspot for local farmers here in Toronto. So let's go inside! Guys, aside sa spring, super excited din ako sa summer. And syempre, babalik tayo dito pag summer dahil itong whole street daw is mapupuno ng flowers. Isn't it exciting? Oh my gosh, I can't wait. So we're here inside St. Lawrence Market. Wow! Nakakagutom! Ang sarap nun! Alam niyo ba guys, bakit sweet ang pangalan ko? Kasi mahilig daw ako sa sweets. Oh my gosh, ang sarap! Siyempre, hindi matatapos ang araw na to kung hindi kami bibili ng mga sweets. Ang sarap ng mga dessert. Oh my God! Oh my God!
sa atin. This one, eclair, popsicle cake, and parang itong mushroom. What else? And also this one, the big French macaron. So ayun, kakain muna kami dahil habahag talaga akong tako. So it's here. Now let's find a seat. I'm excited. Nandito na kami sa outside. Parang patio. Ang basa. Clumsy. Sorry, ang buhok. Clumsy yan. Ang tigas kasi. Guys, it's so cute. And the mushroom here. I wanna try this mushroom first. Kasi sobrang cute. Sobrang soft. Ang sarap. Ang hilig ko pa naman sa marshmallow. So, ang kalahati is kanya, syempre. Ayun na. Sarap, no? No? This one. Sarap. So guys, ito, ang lasa niya is parang munchkin sa Pilipinas. Alam niyo yung tinitinda sa school? Yung Ace, tapos nilalagyan ng condensed milk. Tapos binilog-bilog. Ganun ang lasa. Ang sarap. Perfect. Ang mata. Guys, itong eclair, ito yung loob. See? Creamy. Ang creamy. Sarap. Ang sarap. Perfect. Sarap. Guys, sobrang perfect talaga. As in, sobrang sarap nito. I can recommend 1,000%. Kung dito kayo sa St. Lawrence, itry niyo to. Itong eclair. Hindi kayo magsisisi. Hindi siya sobrang tamis ha. Creamy lang. And ang sarap. One of my favorite season is obviously it's spring because for me there's always a season for new beginning, renewal, growth, and it reminds us that there's always a chance to start anew, and it's beautiful. So ikaw, Han, how about you? Why do you love spring?
Because it represents the end of cold depression and the beginning of a warm hope.
Wow, almost the same lang sa akin, pero mas malalim yun sa kanya. It's really beautiful, right?
I will find you. You will ask, what will you do when they find me? I will find you. Give the answer to your question. What will I do when I find you? I don't have to think, I don't have to prepare myself. When I find you, I don't have to think.
nandito na naman kami ngayon sa ang aking palaging binabalik-balikan, Danda Square. And saan tayo kakain? Well, naghahanap kami ng makakainan and that's it. So, ganito yung view niya pag umaga. Napakita ko na to dati, pero gabi yan.
Pigeon. The pigeon one. Fly away. Skyline pigeon. Hi. Hi. You're so pretty.
You know how tough it is to catch a bird? It is very tough.
They're so cute. Guys, pag nandito kayo sa Danda Square, itry nyo ito. Anong tawag na nito?
Beef roasted kimchi.
Sobrang sarap, as in, sobra. Tapos affordable lang. It's only how much?
13.
Oh, it's only $13. Guys, itry nyo. Sobrang sarap talaga, as in. Napakalasado.
Hi everyone! So, katatapos na lang namin kumain and syempre, same place. Nandito pa rin kami sa Danda Square para ipakita sa inyo itong napakagandang as in, sobrang taas niya until doon sa dulo. Sobrang haba pala. Sobrang haba. Sa dulo na. Let's go! So pretty. Napaka-colorful, it's vibrant, and yeah, perfect. One of the things that I love here in Toronto is that they make their place beautiful for its people, and it's free.
Everybody wants somebody, can you blame them? Everybody wants.
Lowbat na naman ako. Hi everyone! So in this area, it is another tulips view here in downtown Toronto and malapit lang siya sa Danda Square. Nasa unahan lang and sobrang ganda. Alam niyo yun, ang color, sobrang green and then napaka-colorful na mga tulips, sobrang sarap sa mata. And then, alam niyo, parang nakakawala ng mga
you. You will ask, what will you do when they find me? I will find you. Give the answer to your question. What will I do when I find you? I don't have to think.